Hey everyone, this is Leo with Keep Frank Co. and
Jennifer with Pigskins and Pigtails.
And we're at Impressions Long Beach. Okay, so what are we gonna do today, Jennifer?
Let's screen print a 2-color print on my Pigskins and Pigtails screen printing press.
Cool, but first I have a question for you. This is a 1-color press. How are we gonna do a multiple color print on this?
So it might look like a 1-color press, but this is actually an unlimited color press. This is the design we're gonna print, 2 colors. And we're gonna do it here on this really small setup. We're actually using a pretty large frame today. You can use a smaller frame, it makes even the whole setup even smaller, but the cool thing is you can use any size frame with this setup, depending on what you're printing.
And I noticed that your platen size is actually relatively small too.
Yeah, this is a smaller platen because we're printing on a tote bag. You can switch these out as well. So if you're doing t-shirts or, tote bags, whatever, you can switch it out.
All right, so what do you want to do? How do we get started?
Let's do it. Let's grab a blank bag and you're gonna put it on the platen.
All right, here we go. Okay, so I'm threading the bag now. How does that look? Pretty good?
Looks good.
Okay.
So just make sure you press it down, get rid of all the wrinkles.
Okay. Oh, that is so cool. The details are so clean.
This is where the magic comes in.
This is the magic part.
You see these red clamps here, and pull them back. You're gonna unclamp it.
If I took those clamps off, are you gonna have to re-register that screen afterwards?
Nope.
That's the part I'm looking most excitedly for.
Magic.
Okay, so they're off.
Just slide this whole thing off.
Okay.
And we're just gonna set it over here. We have a little stand for you to set it in. And we'll just hook it here. And then grab the next one.
Got it. All right.
And then we're gonna slide it into place.
Flood it?
Yep.
Okay. Just let her rip.
Yep. You nervous?
I am a little bit. That looks so cool. Look how well it registered the second time. Because the first time I did it, this entire front part didn't even come out right. I printed it twice and the registration's perfect. The details are crisp and everything just came out really well. Okay, now what do I do?
That's it. So you'll take this off and we'll throw it through the conveyor dryer. But if you were at home, you could dry it and cure it, whatever method you have. If you wanted to print more of these, you would just repeat that process. You could use the same press, the same setup to print multiple.
What if you don't have a conveyor oven at home?
I don't have one at home. So what I would use is if I was in a hurry, I would just hit this with a heat gun to dry it and then a heat press. You use water-based ink, you could just let it air dry and then hit it with the heat press.
Thank you so much, Jennifer.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Good job. Way to go.
Awesome. And thank you guys for watching.